Cholistan Desert, also called Rohi, is the largest desert near Bahawalpur, about 30 kilometers away. It stretches over 2.66 million hectares and covered three districts that are Bahawalpur, Bahawalnagar and Rahimya Khan. The major challenges in Cholistan Desert are the water scarcity, slaying groundwater, harsh climate and low rainfalls. The local community mostly migrate from one place to another in search of water and fodder. The total human population is about 0.276 million and livestock is 1.34 million. To combat the harsh desert conditions and explore sustainable water solutions, Pakistan Council of Research in Water Resources has established its Field Research Station (FRS) at Deengarh, Cholistan Desert. To tackle water scarcity, an advanced rainwater harvesting system has been developed. About 7 rainwater harvesting ponds of different sizes were developed during 1997, capable of collecting 13 million gallons of rainwater annually. This vital resource serves both human and livestock in the desert, ensuring a more sustainable future. After successful development of rainwater harvesting ponds at Deengarh in Cholistan Desert, PCRWR expanded the project between year 2002 and 2007, creating over 100 ponds across the entire desert, spaced 15 to 20 kilometers apart. Each pond holds 3.85 million gallons of rainwater, and together they store 424 million gallons annually, benefiting local communities. However, the region still faces a serious water shortage of 876 million gallons each year. To fully meet the total yearly demand of 2,334 million gallons for both people and livestock, around 230 more reservoirs are required. Recognizing the dire need for water security, PCRWR and UNICEF launches a community-focused initiative aimed at providing sustainable drinking water solutions in Cholistan Desert. Through extensive feasibility studies, 20 strategic locations were selected for construction of rainwater harvesting ponds, specifically designed to maximize runoff collection and store more than 80 million gallons of drinkable water. These ponds are designed using advanced contour mapping and interconnecting low-lying areas to ensure efficient water flow and storage. Primarily, 2 rainwater harvesting ponds have been successfully developed at Rukanpur and Qaadowali in Cholistan Desert. However, to bridge the drinking water gap, further expansion of these ponds is essential. Continued efforts are required to develop additional RWH ponds, securing a sustainable water future for resilient communities and livestock of Cholistan.
सर चोलिस्तान में बड़ा मसला जो है वो पानी का है सर। इसके अलावा पानी से अलावा और कोई चारा का नहीं। टोबे जो है ना बड़े खुश्क हो चुके हैं। इस वजह जो टोबे डैम गवर्नमेंट बना रही है ना, यूनिसेफ और PCRWR वाले ने, वो बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनाया हुआ है।
विरास चोलिस्तानी वासी हैं ते यूनिसेफ तक डैम बना के दिता है। माशाल्लाह इहो जो डैम भी बनना चाहिए ने। रोई दी बारिश से ते अल्लाह ताला पानी इकट्ठा थी से जानवर रोई दे पीसन, असां भी पीसूं।
माशाल्लाह से चोलिस्तान किते यूनिसेफ वाले ते PCR वाले ने डैम दिता है, उन्होंने बहुत आसान है। इस तरह नाल पानी डैम में इकट्ठा थी वैसी जानवर पीसन, दुआ करे सन। चोलिस्तान दे इवें बे भी होने चाहिए, छोटे छोटे डैम, बड़े बड़े डैम, जिमें बारिशी पानी इकट्ठा थी वे, ताकि जानवर जेरे हैं जंगल दे भी ते चोलिस्तानी भी उन्होंने वास्ते बहुत फायदे वाली चीज़ है। नहीं,
The Cholistan Desert stands as a testament to human resilience and innovation. Through scientific research, sustainable water management, and community-driven initiatives, organizations like PCRWR and UNICEF are paving the way for a water-secure future. Yet more action is needed to fully address the growing water crisis. With continued support and investment, the dream of a thriving Cholistan can become a reality.